Good morning, afternoon, evening. I don't even know what it is. For me, it's afternoon at the moment. It's 2 o'clock. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel, guys. My name is Didi Taihuttu. Most of you already know it, but I will just say it because this one is going to be uploaded at the end as well. Thanks, Kas, for checking the sound. Welcome, Ali. Welcome, Painaka. Welcome, Ton Arts. Today, of course, the Ask Me Anything will be in English. Yesterday, we did a Dutch one. It was a really funny one because there was some crazy shit happening over there. Even beautiful women walking into my screen, calling me a cutie. Today, not happening. Today, we are in our own resort here in Playa del Carmen. We have a beautiful apartment with a pool. I think Julie is in the pool. Maybe I can show you Julie later. Hi all, hi Marcel, hi hey, can you show nipple chart? I can't show any charts because I'm doing a YouTube live at the moment. So this doesn't ask me anything. If you want to know something about the charts, just ask me, and I will talk about the charts a little bit. I think we are around 57, yeah, 57,000 US dollar per Bitcoin. I think at Friday CME close was around 58,400 US dollar. So if we should be going opening Monday at 58,400 dollar, we should be going up at the moment. We did broke out of this breakout of this huge channel I drew the last couple of weeks. We broke down outside of it a little bit, but this green candle has been forming now is trying to become to get into the channel again. So let's see what happens. If that will break out of the channel that I drew the last couple of weeks, means that we could go a little bit more down to 50k or something around that area. Not freaking out here, still okay. So I'm zooming out. It's Sunday. My eyes can be a little bit small because yesterday I had too many drinks. We went to this beautiful bar called the Frog Bar here in Tulum, and my middle daughter Juna wanted to have some fun, so I took her to the bar. First time for her in a bar. Yeah, she's not 18, but in Mexico everything is possible when you buy a bottle. No, I don't think there's a breakout at the moment to the upside. The market is very quiet, but there is some huge news. I read a lot of news this morning, so I still think that we can go up, guys. It's just zoom out a little bit more to the 4 hour and to the 1 hour chart and to the 1 week chart, and you can see we are going up. I don't see any concern yet. For me, not bearish times. Now I am in Playa del Carmen. So I'm not in Tulum, I am Playa del Carmen. We have an apartment in the center of Playa del Carmen. Wait, I can't show you the apartment. Ledger Copen. Why? So we have a beautiful apartment with a long shaped pool. And the one that you see the end with the thing on top over there, that is our apartment. Oh no, I'm lying. No, there in the corner. The one over there, I think. Yeah, that one is our apartment. A beautiful one. We have a rooftop. It's all pretty cheap at the moment. Mexico. Not as cheap as Thailand. Let's be honest about that. When I'm going to go to Bulgaria, we don't know yet when I'm going to go to Bulgaria. We will go back to Europe once all the lockdowns are over and all the stores are open and all the restaurants are open, because I just like to have a normal life and not a life inside and with curfews and face mask and all that shit. I don't want that life, so that's why we are in Mexico. Here, completely, everything is open. Check my Instagram of last night and you will see the bars, the clubs, everything is completely open. People are dancing on the tables. It's like smoke machines, like this, I think I don't know what it is. I don't think they believe it will. It exists over here. The apartment here, Ton, I need to be honest. In Tulum, we stayed very cheap, in a very expensive place, but we stayed very cheap because I educated the hotel in accepting bitcoins. That's why we always stayed for nothing. These apartments here in Playa del Carmen, you can stay cheap in Playa del Carmen, so you can stay for $1,000 a month. You have a beautiful village just outside outside of Playa del Carmen Centrum. That it's you can pay $1,000 per month. These are more expensive. Um, you know, but we chose to pay a little bit more this time. Mexico, yeah, who's in Amzala? I saw somebody was in Amanzala. Yeah, Amanzala is really nice. The employees, we will be back soon in Amanzala, so we slept in room number 30 and 11. So if you're in that room, you're in the same room we were sleeping, the one with the beautiful views over there. I love the views. The beach there is way more beautiful. The Pink Panther, I'm searching her as well. There's a lot of green over here. I've been searching for this Pink Panther. Now we have the Black Panther. It's my wife over there. She has a black swimsuit. So where to live crypto money? Didn't see the last question. Sorry. Can you say, repeat that question? I couldn't read it. It went too fast. Um, Important. Yes, very important. I don't know what is important. The thumbs ups, they are very important. We only have 20. We have 80 people, so we could do better, man. Give a few more thumbs up. Um, I think in total in a month you pay around 3 4K over here, but then we have an apartment of with 3 floors, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathroom, and a rooftop with a jacuzzi and everything. So uh, you get good value for the what you pay in Playa account. Open because you cannot just shut down like yep. Let's go. The IDO of Deeper will be done using Uniswap. No, the IDO will be done now on Ignition. Ignition is also a platform created by Paid Network. So Paid Network is doing the pre-launch of Deeper. Also, I think DuckDAO is doing the pre-launch of Deeper, and then after that, I think it will be done on the public sale will be done on Uniswap. Yeah. Yes, I stepped into Deeper as well because I really think it's a cool project. Venlo in the house. Plasma Finance. I've been advising you to buy some weeks already. They are doing good, isn't it? They are almost at 30 cents. So that was a good one, a good call. Do you use a hard stop loss when? No, it depends, Peter. If I'm trading like short time frames, like 15-minute frames, mostly I'm at the screen and I don't use the stop loss. Only when I go to bed, mostly the targets I have in my head, I create them with the Fibonacci retracement tool. So I say like, okay, I think in my sleep it will go to that level, or I take profit, or I use a trailing stop loss because on Bybit you can use the trailing stop loss. If you don't have a Bybit account, use my referral link to sign up to Bybit because you can use the trailing stop loss, which means it will increase your stop loss completely all the time when the price of Bitcoin increases. If you want to mine in the Netherlands, do you have to pay tax? It depends. If you mine in your home or in your basement or on your attic, depends if you want to tell if you want to tell the tax company in the Netherlands that you own bitcoins. Um, they will trust you and your beautiful blue eyes. So you need to fill in on the tax form you have bitcoins or not, and you only need to fill this once a year. So that moment that you need to fill them, I wouldn't have bitcoins. No, it's not normal. The luxury we are having over here, it's abnormal. But for me, it's worth the value because I want to live a normal life, and that normal life I can only live, when I don't own anything. So I can be traveling to places continuously without having monthly cost. That is why we chose this lifestyle. We gave up our house, our companies, everything because we want to be free to move wherever we want in these kind of strange situations that cannot cure. So, like these lockdowns, we are free to go. We don't have any monthly cost. We don't have anything. We can go where we want, and sometimes we spend a little bit more money a month, and sometimes we spend like $1,000 to $2,000 a month. On average, we live with around a year around 50K. So 50K a year is what we spend as a family. Where live with crypto money for you, presidents, with only I would live in Portugal. In Portugal, you have 0% tax on cryptocurrencies. So if you live in Portugal, if you register in Portugal, which doesn't take too much time, and you don't need capital for this, you pay 0% tax on cryptocurrency. Switzerland, same story. I think Belarus, same story. Holland is also not bad. In Holland, you pay 1.3% tax. Not bad at all. Is this the normal 50K a year? What do you mean? Is this the normal 50K per year? So we pay our lifestyle that we live costs around 50,000 US dollar per year. So that's including all the insurance, including all the food, all the flights, all the travel, all the places we stay, around 50,000 US dollar a year. Yeah. In Holland, way more than that. In Holland, we were way above that. Yeah. Deeper, you can buy an ignition launchpad Tuesday, and I can lay a MetaMask wallet. I don't know for sure if there is a maximum amount. Um, I don't know if it's capped. I don't know if it is capped. I bought a lot, so I don't think there is a cap. Yo, hey, Bitcoin Street, welcome to the live. Do we have any more questions, guys? 11 minutes only. Wow, it seems that I'm talking already a lot, but maybe because my throat hurts a little bit from the Bacardi Coke and the tequila yesterday. Is it too late to dollar cost? Never. No, it is never too late to dollar cost average Bitcoin. Yes, we have a health insurance, Paul Simmons. The link is down below our videos. We used Safety Wing. Safety Wing is one of the best health insurance out there for traveling people. Check it. Oh, my screen got really dark. I think my battery is going. But Safety Wing is one of the best health insurance. The link is down below my videos. If you click that link, I think you get 1 month free health insurance or something. So use the link and you get a month for free. I don't know what is happening, guys, but my screen turned really dark. I need to check 1 second if I can turn up the dark is really dark. Screen is really dark, so I need to. You can buy paid at Uniswap, guys. Maybe it's overheated. Yes, I don't know what it is. I can hardly read your texts, but I'll try. Um, no, I don't invest on something else than crypto. I only hodl crypto. Don't have any other investments. I see a tweet from referring to BitCloud. No, I don't know yet what it is. To be very honest, somebody told me, Didi, you have a BitCloud account. I said, BitCloud account? What the fuck is that? He's like, it's a new social media account combined with Bitcoins and cryptocurrency and blockchain. And then I started to read the white paper and I was like, wow, after the Bitcoin white paper, this white paper was one of those white papers that I was like, okay, this is really strange. This could become big. I need to check what is happening. And then I saw that my BitCloud account was already pre-registered and it already had value, I think 30K value or something like this. So I was like, okay, let's see if I can claim it. So that's what I did. And to claim that BitCloud account, I needed to tweet. So I need to make a BitCloud account. Then, if I'm the official Didi Taihuttu, I need to tweet my private key. And by tweeting that one, no, my public key, of course. I tweeted the public key. Yes, that I received this, probably received access to my BitCloud account. So I will need to see if it is working. I don't know for sure how it is working. So that's why, I'm just starting with BitCloud. And it could be one of the biggest changes in the social media environment and decentralizing social media. So let's see what it is. If you have zero point 0.3 BTC, you belong to the one of the big richest BTC people. I think proven was, I read an article this morning, if you hodl 0.1 BTC, you could be a millionaire in the future. Far future, of course. Not tomorrow, not this year. What do you think about VPN, DPN? You mean the VP? Oh my god, I can't read these questions. I don't know what happened, guys. My screen is really. I need to maybe sit like this. Yeah, this is better. Maybe I can read these questions better like this. Do we have any more questions? How many hardware wallets should you use? Bitcoin depends on how many bitcoins you have. I even have one or two or maybe 3 bitcoins on my telephone, so I'm not afraid. If you just have your backup, your backups safely stored in a safe, Even one ledger would be enough. But I use multiple ledgers. I also use the Bitbox. I'm going to use this new thing I received also as well. So I test many wallets and I like them, and I have multiples. I even have wallets backups. Okay, so the screen is not good. Maybe I should be like this again. I don't know why the screen is this dark. I hope your screen is not dark. Mexico City? No, we don't have any plans yet on Mexico City. No, I need two Bybits accounts to do a long and a short at the same time, and that's exactly how people are doing it. Okay, the video is good there. Okay, and it's just my screen that's dark. Sorry, then I thought. For me, the Bitbox is the one I like most. I trade and I hodl. I'm just asking all the questions as short as possible so I can answer them. I trade and I hodl. So I hodl a huge part. I trade a huge part. I long, I short, but I also do swing trades. I don't have experience yet in staking DOT, but probably when the bear market starts, I'm going to stake some in DOT as well, also in Cardano. No, we don't have a home, so we don't have a stable home or something. We always travel. Sometimes we sleep in a villa for a couple of months. We rent a house then for a couple of months. Sometimes we take a hotel, or we sleep in a hotel. Sometimes even in a guest house. Sometimes in like something really cool, a backpacker's place. We just take it how we feel. Sometimes the family wants to have a more relaxed time, like staying in the place for some longer. Then we mostly rent a house for a couple of months. 105, almost 50 thumbs up, which means I'm giving a t-shirt away today as well. Yeah, I'm reading a lot about Theta. I still need to make my opinion about it, but yes, I know they are registering a lot of patents. Didi, the Ignition Connect wallet option is not working. Does it work only when the launch is happening? I experienced the same thing today, so I'm checking out what is happening there as well. Maverick, that's a very good question. Yes, I need to be very honest. Here in Playa del Carmen, there has not been one day, and we have been here now for 4 days or 5 days, that I'm not recognized and I'm not need to make a selfie. Mostly here, it's really strange. I need to make like a selfie 1, 2, 3 times a day. People stop me on the street. People say, "Wow, you're the Bitcoin guy. You're the hodl guy. You have steel balls, blah blah blah," and they all want to make a selfie. Yesterday, I had something really strange. I was on the beach having breakfast, and this guy comes up to me and he said, "Man, I missed you in Portugal, and now I'm here. Can I make a selfie as well?" Really nice. But I figured out like, how did he find me here? Do I have like my location services on or something? But not. It was not location. It was really per accident. I like it, I like to meet people in the crypto world. I like to have chats with people in the crypto world. So you meet a lot of people, and yeah, because people know you from YouTube or whatever. Yeah, it is more here than I was in Tulum. In Tulum, I could walk around without having any people recognizing me. Only the crypto, friends. But here, every day, even the kids were walking on the streets and they scream on the streets, "La familia Bitcoin, La familia Bitcoin," and so it's really strange to see that. Yeah, now that the bull run has started, more and more people start to recognize you. I don't think Cardano is going to replace Ethereum. I think they are going to work very fine together. There is enough space in this world for multiple projects to decentralize the world. So no, I don't think they want to beat each other. I think they just want to decentralize the world, and they both have a small difference in vision on how to decentralize the world, and that is how it works. I don't think that these projects need to fight with each other. I think we need to work together to win this revolution. Wow, I got you to crypto full time. I hope you're doing good, RJ Lee. I hope me getting you into crypto, you're doing well now at the moment. Yeah, the lives are doing. How long before the remaining 1 million? I don't think it will take long. I think these huge billion-dollar companies are buying up the dips, guys. Why do you think we are staying above this level of 55, 56, 57K? I think they slowly keep buying the bitcoins up. The more they have in control, the less volatile Bitcoin will be, because the more weak hands leave the market, the more strong hands are in the market, the less volatile Bitcoin will be, because the less people trade Bitcoin and start to act like screaming boys, when Bitcoin goes down 1K or 2K. Good morning for the ones that just tuned in. A lot of questions already answered, so sometimes you ask double questions. I will then point to the first part of the video, the first 20 minutes already, 21 minutes. And bam, the magical number of 21 just appeared on the screen. No, I don't expect a drop to 30K now. No, definitely not. I don't even, sometimes I even think that we will never go that low again. Maybe we will go to 200K and the new bottom will be 40K. That's something I can also believe. I don't think there's a dip coming, a huge dip, but if it is, then don't blame me, because just dollar cost average into Bitcoin, which means just buy a little bit Bitcoin every time again. Every time. Now, maybe when it dips a little bit more, then when it goes up a little bit more, then you dollar cost average, which means you will buy Bitcoin at a certain average price, which is be proven one of the most one of the best strategies when you want to buy into Bitcoin during a bull run. Yucatan, yeah, there's so many beautiful places here. We are going to discover more and more here in Mexico. There is only one app which is called bitsacard.com, and on bitsacard.com you also have a youth app, and this youth app also comes with a Bitsa debit card for kids from 14 years old. So you have children older than 14 years old, they need to go to bitsacard.com, and they can open an account. You as a parent can even control their account, and they have a card attached to it, so they can spend their Bitcoins all over the world where Visa is accepted. So that's bitsacard.com. No, I don't have an affiliate link. Just go there and you see that there is a young card of Bitsa. Do we have more questions? I think I'm going to keep it to 30 minutes or something, so 7 more minutes, because it's only 133 people and it's bloody hot here in the sun. Do you guys have questions for Julie? Then I will walk to Julie. No, I haven't finished the PDF yet. I'm still testing a lot of these DeFi products, but I promise that I will bring out this PDF. Probably, I don't feel that we are near the top, so I don't have any pressure now at the moment of bringing out this PDF. So for me, the bull market is going to take another couple of months. Yes, Link, I'm bullish on Link, I'm bullish on Polkadot, I'm bullish on eGold, I'm bullish on Plasma Finance, Paid Network, I'm bullish on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, I'm bullish on many coins. The bull run for all those for all the altcoins will end when the bull run of Bitcoin ends. So mostly when this bull run of Bitcoin ends, the altcoins take a little bit longer to stop, and they end then. Like for example, 2017, the Bitcoin bull run ended December, January, and then Ethereum ended somewhere in February. So it was 30 days later for Ethereum. So it kind of depends. Some people will take profit out of Bitcoin to start to stake, that will increase the Bitcoin price, the Ethereum price, and then again they take profit on the Ethereum. There's a lot of people that handle the multiplying Bitcoin plan different. I will sell all my altcoins at the end of the bull run. Yes. Altcoins for me are only I only use altcoin to multiply my bitcoins. So altcoins, I ride them, I exchange them to Bitcoin. I ride them, I exchange them to Bitcoin. So I take the profits and I buy more Bitcoins. For me, Bitcoin, I'm always adding to my Bitcoin portfolio. Most altcoins I just buy to do increase Bitcoin. If there are altcoins that I can use for staking with a huge yield, then I will keep those altcoins and will stake them. Um, Cardano, I think, has the option to stake 6% or 5%. So yes, maybe I would hold that one to stake. Yes, Link is one of the, I think it's one of the coins I already told you guys about 8 months ago. So yes, I'm still bullish on that one. Um, Aye, is there a saw sound? Ah, yeah, I hear this thing. Okay, wait, I will move. I will move to the sunny side of the world. It's disturbing, I know. I hate it when I hear these strange sounds on the back. Maybe the sound become less over here. Yeah, we were just chilling at the pool, guys, and that's why when I thought, okay, I need to start a live, because it's Sunday. I needed some quiet time as well. So that's why we're at the place at our apartment. Oh, 1 second. Yes. If you have a question for Julie, just ask him. I will ask her. She's there. I won't bring her into screen because she's naked. No, not naked, but bikini, bikini style. Yeah, it's a beautiful place. Wait, I will turn the screen so you can see it. Wait, pump. Look, this is like the pool over here. So the long pool, so I can do some sports. We are staying up there in the corner. This one, that it's 3 floors. It's really beautiful. We have a rooftop with a jacuzzi, and we have 3 bedrooms, a huge kitchen. The kids always sometimes want to eat, from just like mom cooks. So sometimes Romain goes shopping and cooks. And that beautiful one over there, that is of course Julie. Maybe I get some more thumbs up now because I have a bikini babe on my screen. And the other one, the beautiful one over there, yeah, that's Romain. We are taking it easy on Sunday. I can read. The screen is more clear like this as well, so I can read your questions better, guys. Do we have any more questions? I hope the sound is better like this. Bill Gates, I don't believe Bill Gates anymore. Bill Gates was one of the first, Microsoft was one of the first companies to accept Bitcoin payments for all their Microsoft products. They were one of the first in 2013 or something, I think. So why would he be thinking different now? He was the first company that accepted Bitcoin, and now he's doing this because he wants to buy. And Bitcoin's cheaper. Probably he accepted Bitcoin for his products, and he sold all the products for filthy dollars to buy or to build medical companies that now sell you the vaccine. I don't know. Maybe it's a conspiracy. One and Harmony, I haven't looked into it, but I hear a lot of positive stuff about it. I'm looking forward to a call with one of the team members that they can educate me a little bit more on this, so I can really investigate if it is something that I want to support or not. No, I'm not afraid of crypto government regulations, because the regulations will be positive for crypto, in my opinion. Governments are doing it not to, to stop crypto, but they are doing it to give a more safe environment for the people that are too stupid to do their own research. That's why. Chilis, I'm very positive on Chilis. I own Barcelona tokens because I'm a Barcelona fan. I already bought Barcelona very early, the tokens, and yes, I also voted with the first vote ever made for the Barcelona fan base, and it was about a poster that would be hanging in the dressing room. Forza Barça, so it was the one, the brown one that won. So yes, I like Chilis. I like the project. We are now in Mexico in Playa del Carmen. We will stay as long that Europe is closed. We will stay here. Yes, I'm very bullish on Ethereum. I think Ethereum will. I don't even understand why Ethereum not already is at 3K. like I said, I think Ada Cardano is doing a great job. I think it's one of the best and the strongest and the most positive growing chains out there. And I think the fees are way lower than Ethereum. So as long Ethereum is not coming out with 2.0, they will lose clients to Cardano. When Ethereum comes out with 2.0 and improves all the things and the fees and the issues they have at the moment, then I think that Cardano will still grow, but Ethereum will also grow, you know. And it all depends to Ethereum. It all depends to Vitalik if he wants to switch off these certain things. You know, it's Ethereum is going to stay. It's not going to go anywhere, and I think it will go to 2K, 3K even soon. And when Bitcoin goes to 100K, 200K, Ethereum will also go to 5K. I don't worry about that. I think BlackRock already has bought Bitcoins a long time ago. I don't believe they are just looking into it. I think they bought already, and I think they want to buy more now, and I think they will be pumping the price after that as well. Yes, I trade leverage. I always trade leverage. For the small trades, I do 1% of the Bitcoin price. So when Bitcoin is 50K, I trade with 1%, that's 500 US dollar, and I use a leverage of 10. So I don't use high leverage of 25 or 50 or 100, just 10. I play it safe. Okay, the amount of viewers are increasing, so I will keep talking. No, we don't have frikandel special here yet. I didn't find frikandel special. Julie, did you find something with frikandel special?
Huh?
Is there frikandel special here in Playa del Carmen?
No.
No? But braadworst, we have braadworst. No frikandel special. My LTC, my Litecoin prediction for this bull run, I think Litecoin is lagging behind. I think they should first try to break the all-time high of $360 that they once had. When they break the $360 previous all-time high, then I get more bullish on Litecoin. Till that moment, I want to see the community, shilling Litecoin more and getting it more higher than the previous all-time high, because Ethereum already broke the previous all-time high. Bitcoin already broke the previous all-time high. Litecoin didn't break the previous all-time high yet. We are stuck around $200, so we almost need to double, to break the previous all-time high. So let's first focus on that with Litecoin, and then get more bullish maybe. BTC, bam, of course, bam. The bear market is going to last. The bear market, normally the bear market is one complete year. So if you look at year candles on Bitcoin, you always have 3 green candles and then 1 red candle. So 1 red candle is the bearish year. For example, 2018 was the red candle, the bearish year. 2019 was a green candle, but the smallest one, so that was a sideways year. 2020 was a little bit bigger green candle, so that was the start of the bull run. And 2021 now should be the largest green candle, so that would be the huge green candle that we also saw in 2017. So if you look at yearly candles, there is always one bearish yearly candle. If we would repeat the cycle we have been making every time, then 2022, should be a bearish year, because 2021 should be the largest green candle of 4 in the cycle of 4, and then we should see 2022 a bearish year, 2023 a sideways year, 2024 the start of the next cycle, bull run cycle then, and 2025 again the next high. $1 million in the Bitcoin price, for example. If we would repeat 2017 and 2014, some people are talking about a super cycle, which would mean we won't have the 4-year cycle. We would break the 4-year cycle that we did before. So from 2009 to 2013 to 2013 to 2017, 2017 to 2021, and then we now don't repeat the 4-year cycle, and we go into the super cycle where we don't dip as big anymore, and we will keep going up. The logarithmic growth curve is not saying this. The logarithmic growth curve is saying that we will be growing in the logarithmic growth curve, that we will increase to 1 million in the next 4 years, and that we will still see dips, but the dip could be next time to 40K, from 200K to 40K. So if you zoom out far enough, we have only been going up. We have never been going down. We have been going up since 7 cents, all the way up now to 60K. So zoom out and you see that we only go up. the next weeks will be bullish, not only of the paychecks, but also because of a huge amount of Bitcoin, big billion-dollar companies adding it to the balance sheet. Thanks for the $5. When do you think Bitcoin will hit 100K? My opinion, we will hit 100K before December this year. Why do I think 100K before December this year? I think we will try to go and break 60K again, go to 70K, then probably dump with 30%. Like in average, we see like 8 dumps during this bull run. So then we will have another dump from 70K to 50K, and then we will do this run to 100K. And I think we will reach 100K between September and December this year, and maybe in January even extend to 280K with a few candles or wicks. Because that is a stock to flow. That is what the stock to flow model is showing us. S2FX model shows that we will go higher than 280K during this bull run. Bitcoin will be stable when the last Bitcoin is mined. The last Bitcoin is mined in the year 2140. We will all not be living then anymore. I think till that moment, Bitcoin will still be volatile. It will get less volatile. That's what we also see. The pullbacks are less big. In 2070, we saw even 39% pullbacks, 40% pullbacks. We haven't seen them yet. So it is already getting less volatile, and it will take another 120 years to volatile. So yes, it will take another 120 years. We will be there. We won't be there when the last Bitcoin is being mined. So don't zoom out that much. Try to look a little bit more short term if it comes to Bitcoin now, and increasing the value of Bitcoin. Do we have any more questions? I'm going to make 45 minutes, guys. So we have another 8 minutes. So bomb me with questions in the last 8 minutes, and we'll try to answer as much as possible. Now I use multiple time frames, so I trade the 4-hour, but I mostly, when I leverage trade, I use the 15-minute or the 30-minute charts. So the leverage trades, the day trading leverage trades, I use the 15 and the 30 minutes, and if I do these longer positions, the 4-hour trades that when I started live last time, I'm still in that one. I'm waiting for 60K to reach, and then that's a leverage trade on the 4-hour chart, which will take a couple of days, maybe in a week. Should you put all your money into Bitcoin? If you're crazy as me, yes. If you're not as crazy and you still have a lot of value in money, so then if you can't accept losing all your money, then don't do it. You need to buy Bitcoin every moment, dollar cost average. So buy Bitcoin a little bit now. When it gets more expensive, buy again. When we dip, you buy again. So you create an average buying price for Bitcoin. I mostly trade with a leverage of 10, but sometimes when I'm very positive, then I go to 20, but that's all. Yes, my father played with Jos Luakai at VVV in Venlo. Yes, my father was a professional football player. I'm very proud he was a professional football player for VVV, for Fortuna Sittard, and he was also a professional coach for all his life. So my father only did his passion, which was football. I don't cash out. I have a multiply Bitcoin strategy. So that means I'm not going to cash out. That means I will exchange my Bitcoins into a stable coin or a coin that I can stake. And then I will stake as much as possible during the bearish year, which means I am going to live from the high yield of the profits in that bearish year. I'm going to stay in the US dollar stable coin at that point and in that coin that I stake, and then when I get into the bottom of the bear market, I'm going to exchange it all back to Bitcoin with all the profits of the staking that I didn't use to live life off, and then I ride the new 4-year cycle again up to the new top. So that's how I plan to do it. Hi Michael from Heerlen, groetjes uit Venlo. That was Dutch, with a local Dutch accent. Limburgs. No, I don't have fiat, I only have Bitcoin. Which stablecoin? I'm still figuring out if I'm going to use DAI or use dollar Tether. I'm maybe I will spread the risk on multiple stable coins. You never know what happens. So maybe I'm going to spread the risk in multiple stable coins. No, I don't have XRP. I hate XRP. Sorry. Yes, you can even stake on your ledger. So you can even hodl coins on your ledger and stake. It's not a lot. It's like I think 2 to 4% that you can get in yield when you stake on your ledger. I think it's the most safest way to stake because you stake on the ledger, so you have control of your full control of your private keys. But I don't know if there is a max cap on staking. If it is 5k or 1k, check it out. Maybe Ledger updated already. I need to look into that. It was 5k. Maybe it's more now. No, I didn't buy a house back, and I'm never going to buy a house back in the Netherlands because I've seen the news. I've been watching all the news in the Netherlands. I think they are losing their mind. I am trying BlockFi at the moment. Yes, Celsius, BlockFi, all of them, I'm trying them. The Bam Bam indicator is also good for use for beginners because beginners always trade with emotions, and those emotions you need to shut off emotions while trading, and the Bam Bam indicator helps you with shutting off your emotions and just trading because of indicators, calculations, mathematics. So if you want to have the Bam Bam indicator, go to ddbam.com, fill the 3 fields, and then we will send you all the information. How have any thought on Bitcoin retesting the 28 EMA? Yes, I have been sharing this chart many times. If we would do the same thing we did in 2013, we would go now and maybe 1 or 2 weeks go upwards to 70k, what I've said. I think then in 2 or more weeks, the 21 MA would be on the weekly chart out of the top of my head, so don't pin me to this. But I think it would be around 40k at that point. So yes, then I think a pullback to the 21 MA on the weekly chart, if it is around 40k, could happen. Not even strange. We did it in 2013 as well. We went up and then we went back to the 21 MA. We stayed there for 3 months around that 21 EMA, and then we went up to the huge pull peak in 2014. So that could happen now again. If you copy 2014, we do this. We go up to 70k, we pull back to 50 to 40k, we stay there sideways for a couple of months, and then bam, go up to the 288k level. If you do 2017, that will go completely different. We will be going up from now to December. Yeah, you can lose your coins, not if you stake on your ledger. Yeah, there is always risk. When you don't have access to your private keys, you have the risk you lose everything you have on those platforms. So DeFi, staking platforms, if you don't control your private keys, not your Bitcoins. So if you don't have your keys, you have the risk of losing. If those companies go bankrupt, you lose your coins. If those companies do an exit scam, you lose your coins. Be aware, there is risk. Stefano, depends on the day. Today I didn't do many trades. Yesterday I only did 1 trade. Still $200 profit in that trade. And I have my bot trading. So yes, the BFAT was shut down for reasons that the community was complaining that not too many people were making profit. I just have the BFAT still running. I am bot trading. My bot trades with 1 Bitcoin. With that 1 Bitcoin, I make an average of, should I say all this stuff on camera? I don't know. But yeah, with 1 Bitcoin, I make an average of $300 a day. Bot trading, not manual trading. We make more profit with manual trading. Yeah, I already said it now multiple times. I like Cardano. I have a huge bag of Cardanos. I have a huge bag of ADA. And I will keep the bag because I think Cardano has just been starting. Staking for beginners. Oh my god. Okay, I will try. Staking for beginners just is the same like if you have your bank account. On your bank account, you also have a savings account. And on that savings account, you will receive interest. Because you put your bank on the account, a savings account on the bank, they were used to pay you interest. You know, it used to be 6%, and now it's like minus 1% or something at the banks because they're losing the battle. Staking is the same, but then in crypto. So if you lock up your crypto, your bitcoins, for a certain amount of time, you get an interest paid to you, like a yield paid to you every day. So that is what they call staking. So you keep your bitcoins on a DeFi platform that allows you to stake, and then you get interest on your bitcoins every day. And that is what staking is means staking. In my opinion, there is not. All my kids don't have saving account anymore. They only have Bitcoin. It's the best saving account. By saving Bitcoin, they save like now almost 10 times as much as that they were saving in US dollars. Because because of hodling Bitcoin, they make 200% return on investment every year. After all this bullish year, no, I'm still going. I would love to see this price on from Bitcoin on the 21st of December. 21st of December in 2021. So that's 21 12 2021. I would love to see the Bitcoin price of 221,000 US dollar. That would be amazing. If we could reach that Bitcoin price of 221,000 US dollar on the 21st of 12 in 2021, that would be all twos and ones. That would be an amazing goal. But I don't know if we're going to reach it. We all would love to see 200k, more than 200k Bitcoin, guys, and I think we will see more than 200k Bitcoin. I'm not saying it. We will see it tomorrow. I'm not saying it. We will see it in 2 months or 3 months, but in the next 5 years, we will definitely see a Bitcoin price above 200k, in my opinion. Okay, that is the last question I'm going to answer. The top 5 altcoins at the moment for me. I'm not using Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum as an altcoin. Let's say that's my golden combo. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. I have huge bags, and then in altcoins at the moment I'm invested in Polkadot, Chainlink, eGold, Paid Network, Plasma Finance, PPay. These are now my biggest bags. Then next to that I have a huge bag in Cardano, and I have a huge bag in family tokens. So that is my top. So if you ask me now which currency to buy into, I would definitely buy into Paid Network. You see how they survived the hack. They survived a $3 million hack. As if this was nothing, they came back stronger. They are alive and kicking. They paid back all the tokens to all the people. So Paid Network is for me one of the biggest projects of 2021. They are launching a lot of new projects with their ignition platform. I think Paid Network is a gem, in my opinion. I've seen this also in Plasma Finance now, and I also see a lot in Deeper. So these are all altcoins. I have smaller bags in as well. I don't know what you refer to small or big. So I have a lot of altcoins like these projects that are popping up, but my biggest bags are in the ones I just said. Okay, guys, I think that was enough for today because the Bacardi is starting to work on my throat. I need to stop. I need a drink. I don't have a drink here. I hope you really enjoyed this live again. I hope I could provide you guys of some information and education. If you did enjoy the like, I see we have 116 thumbs up. So after I upload this video, please leave a comment down below the video after I upload it, because I'm going to give away 2 t-shirts. If we reach 150 thumbs, I'm going to give away 3 t-shirts to one of you guys that left a comment down below the video after uploading the video. So not these comments, but after uploading. Yes, I'm going to still need to give away 1 more t-shirt from last weekend. I'm going to do it. I didn't forget it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for spending your time with me together. If you have any more questions, visit the Discord server. On the Discord server, I can answer all your questions on a daily basis. We have a huge team there of moderators that are doing their kick-ass job in educating people about Bitcoin, blockchain, and life. I am there on a daily basis. So if you have more questions, go also to the Discord server, please. Thanks for watching. Always remember to zoom out in Bitcoin and to zoom in at life. Try to enjoy every single minute of the day, and because that is exactly what life should be about. Do you have to add something, Roman? My bikini wife? Some more thumbs up for the bikinis.
Have a nice Sunday.
She wishes you all an amazing Sunday and
No.
with a lot of sex. She said, really with a lot of sex. Oh my God, my wife is crazy. Thanks. I'm going to enjoy the rest of the day. Probably have a romantic dinner tonight with my wife without kids, because they always scream at the table and I don't want to have screaming kids on the table tonight on Sunday. Thanks, guys, for watching, and see you tomorrow again. Also, thanks for the donations, the €5 that came in. So much appreciated. I'm giving up my time indeed to educate you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. And I feel appreciated when people do these small donations. I love it because that makes me feel that I do a good job in educating you. Thanks, and hopefully see you tomorrow again. Yes, I will do a beautiful beach walk in Playa del Carmen tomorrow. So tomorrow you will see how the beach looks in Playa del Carmen. Bam! And bam! And yeah, that one. Bam! See you guys. Bye bye.